All right, so I'm getting ready for work and I really want to try out some new products that I picked up from PROFUSION. It's these items. You can pick them up from Walmart. It is the Ray of Sunshine Illuminating Highlighter Liquid, and then it is the PROFUSION West Coast Glow Liquid, or Radiance Liquid Bronzer. So, and then the last product is the Lip Glaze Hydrating Glossy Stain. These products are extremely affordable. Like I said, you can pick them up from Walmart. And majority of the products that I've gotten from PROFUSION, I love. I love. The foundation's great. Oh my God, their bronzers, their eyeshadows, everything that I've tried so far from PROFUSION, I love. I haven't found a product that I haven't liked yet. All right, so this is what the applicator looks like. I've been trying to give it a few twists, but ain't nothing happening yet. So I'm a little worried how long it's gonna take this product to come out. What's going on? All right, so I finally got it to come out. It just comes out just a little bit. I kind of like that just so you don't overuse it, but I don't know. Oh God, too much. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I really don't like the applicator, but I mean, I kind of like it for my nose. Like, that's easy, just kind of drawing the line. I don't know. There's something I just don't like about it. Let's blend this. Please tell me this blends well. And we're just gonna, you know, trust the process, you guys, because I'm a little scared. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and set the liquid bronzer with some regular bronzer, but this is what it looks like, and I think it is super pretty. So I will say the only thing, I just don't like that applicator. I like it for my nose, but as for like applying every day, it's just weird. I think I like the dot method better. All right, literally I have like minutes left because I'm supposed to check out of this hotel room in like 5 minutes. So we're getting it down to the wire. Here is the liquid highlighter. It has a little doe foot applicator. Put that all over my face where I want it to be, and let's blend her out. She's glowy, she works, and blends really good over powder. So I'm loving that. All right, so last but least, I went ahead and put on the PROFUSION Cherry Glaze. It is a gloss and a stain at the same time too. It's a lot more muted than what I thought it was going to be, and I'm perfectly fine with that because I honestly didn't want to be too bright because I was scared it wasn't going to match with my outfit today. But yeah, this is the final makeup. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments down below. Would you pick up these products? Again, they're all affordable. You can pick them up at Walmart. Hashtag not sponsored, but it should be. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.